Today I am featuring Skylanders Spyro's Adventure Lightning Rod. It looks like he's an air element guy. And he is, because I can see this air at the bottom. And he has long hair that's kind of short and it's dark. And his colors are kind of gold, I see right here, and a little bit, and some yellow, blue, white, some darkish, I don't know what, I think it's dark red, brownish, I think, and I think it is, and he has some black for his eyes, and I think that's all the colors. And colors, we already said that. Oh, and now let's open it. That's what it looks like in the back. So here's Lightning Rod. Looks cool. And we already bought this at Toys R Us. And let's take him out. We need to be careful either. There. Let's move these stuff to the side. And when you put him on the portal, he says one strike and you're out. And he's like a good guy. And he has some muscles, and I think those are abs. Is that abs? Oops, you fell. Is that abs? I don't know if it's abs. So it's not abs. Oh, it's abs. I didn't know if it was abs. And he has other muscles that looks really nice. Because you can see this one muscle right here and another one right here. Looks cool too. And now let's talk about the cards. This is actually old because they don't use the card anymore. They don't they don't use the code that much because this is old. Because this was the first game. Now check out the stats. So the fist on this thing here is 65. His attack is 65. His defense is 60, and his speed is 60. And I don't know what this is, but it's 65. I don't know what's it called. Yeah, I don't know. His speed is 60. His luck is 65. Like his footing. Oh yeah. Here's a few code because we don't really need them. 87WDX4L5R8. Now I'll try to get a look good of him. Sorry, I was gonna say I'll try to show you a good luck. Here's a 360 angle and all around of him.
Just so, guess you don't know you're beautiful. Try on every dress that you own. You'll find in my